What a going goodies, welcome back to your girl channel. You don't know, today I'm going to be making one of my daily morning routine smoothie. This is very efficient for if you're trying to lose weight or maintain your weight. So here I have some ingredients. I have some frozen ripe bananas. I have my sea moss, which is one of the key ingredients in helping you to lose that weight. So I'll be using a yogurt and some protein powder. The protein powder helps to keep you full. So I will be blending this with my almond milk. You can use soy milk or coconut milk, your preference. So goodies, now we're going to get all of this blended. So I'm adding it to my blender. So what I did, I added 1 scoop of the protein powder, and I'm adding about 4 or 3 tablespoons of my sea moss gel. The more sea moss you add, the thicker your smoothie is going to be. Yes, so it depends on how thick you like your smoothie. Go ahead and add that amount of sea moss. So I'm adding the yogurt and I'm going to blend with the almond milk. Okay, so as you can see, it's nice, thick, rich, and creamy. This will have you feeling full for some good time. So you won't want anything to eat, and if you should eat something, please snack lightly on some fruits or some nuts. So let me know what you think about the recipe. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you will be trying it out. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel, like, share the video. Until next time, God bless you.